Hey, you guys. So I just figured I'd come on and just show you guys some progress that we're making in our backyard. Um, Aside from us trying to find some land, big land with a lot of acres to, do some farming and have community there, we decided to start in our backyard with some garden beds, raised garden beds. And we're starting here to grow some food, as you know, and I know my husband's been talking about it online. And so this is where we're at. My husband has been working so hard. Pastor Sam has been working so hard building these beds. He built them all with the help of me a little bit and my son. But I just don't know where he gets well, I know where he gets his strength from. God is within this man. He is a strong, powerful man. And I'm just so thankful for him. He just can move and he just moves and has his being in Jesus Christ. And I just thank God for him. Um, but yeah, he's built these garden beds. We have 4 now, and he was doing them so fast because we want to go ahead and plant, and then plant some seeds in them for the fall before we can't plant anymore because the summer is already almost over. So we're trying to hurry up and get them up so we can get some dirt in them and go ahead and start growing some things. And we're starting here so that we can, we're new to this. We're going to see how it goes for us. If, we'll probably fail here and there, but we got to start somewhere, right? And we got to learn. So we are here. So he's digging in that hole there because that garden bed I showed in the beginning, it's on top of the other one over there, has to go in there in the ground. It's going to be leveled. Look how he just hopping on that thing like that. He is just too much, this guy. Oh my goodness. So yeah, here goes the garden bed now. He's gonna take that. That's my son. And they're gonna put it over there where he was just digging the hole for. Because all those had to be leveled because we have a downhill backyard. And so he had to dig and put them in the ground to make them leveled. So that's why they're not as high as they look because they're a little bit in the ground. And so that thing is so heavy, y'all. It is so heavy. I couldn't even begin to help lift that thing. I'd throw my whole back out. Forget the back, my whole body out. Throw my whole body out if I tried to help. So God bless them. Oh my goodness. So they're lifting it and taking a break, putting it on the next bin because it is so heavy. It really is. I'll be glad when this part is over because Pastor Sam be tired when he come in. He's working, he's teaching, and then he's doing this, and he's just always so busy. So busy, so busy. But yeah, they're about to dump it on in there. That was what he was digging. I guess they were trying to figure out how, he was trying to tell my son how they're going to do it. And, whew, I just feel for them because it's so heavy. But yeah, so our backyard now is filled with garden beds. Soon we'll have a backyard filled with vegetables. Praise the Lord. We'll have some delicious, healthy, homegrown vegetables to choose from in our backyard. And that's what we all should be doing, right? Get us some food and take control of what we're eating and just have something, just in case, right? Just in case. So I think they're going to lift it now. Here they go. Here they go. Okay. And then they'll just to put it on in there. And then we have all the garden beds in a row. So do y'all know if anybody in the comment section that watched this video, let me know what y'all are growing right now in August. What are y'all growing? I know we were saying we would probably grow some cabbage and kale and some lettuce for sure, because a lot of people were saying that lettuce grows good right now about this time. So not just plain lettuce, but like I forget the name. I don't know, when we get on the camera, when I get on video, you forget what you're trying to say. But yeah, some lettuce. We're definitely gonna grow some lettuce. I can't remember the name of them, but there's some lettuce that grow good right now. So let me know what are you guys growing? What's good to grow now in August? And I don't think we're not gonna do seeds. We're gonna get it where it's already a little planted so that we have a couple of weeks. We're ahead a couple of weeks because that helps now because we are behind the ball game, starting a little bit late. But yeah, that's all the garden beds now in the ground, and I'm so happy that they're high like that. We didn't just go with the 1 inch. So we have 3 rows, and so it makes it really nice because my knees couldn't take all that bending. So thank God for my husband considering me. And so now they're filling the dirt back, filling it back in. And later on, we'll go ahead and line all these woods, all these beds, line them up and get it ready for the dirt to come, the good dirt. But yeah, that's what we've been up to. I just wanted to share. We've been very busy between going to see land here and there and getting these raised beds done. And just working, just life. So we've been very busy. But this is now they're filling it up on the sides because it's like that over there. But yeah, this is what we've been up to. So I just thought I would share and let you guys see, because I know my husband's been talking about it a lot, planting. And he's not just talking, he's actually doing it. He's actually doing it. And we're actually doing it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you guys um, for service. Yeah, I'll see you guys on Sunday.